Chapter 33 Chaturthi Vrata under the Shami tree. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Dasharatha requested sage Vasishta, please tell me the glory of the purifying Sankashti Vrata observed by sitting under a Shami tree. Vasishta narrated an ancient legend to Dasharatha which has the power to bestow all siddhis and liberation on the listener and reader. There lived a Brahmin belonging to Atri Gotra in the province of Panchal. Due to the sins of his past deeds, he suffered from leprosy. Pus and blood oozed from his ulcers. The wounds were infected. As a result, flies were attracted to him. He became blind and hump-backed. Seeing him in such agony, his distressed father was saddened. He sought refuge at the ashram of Atri Rishi and asked for remedies. He suggested that on the Sankashti Chaturthi Tithi, he should observe Vrata under the Shami tree with devotion. By doing this, all his sins would be washed away. He took his son to the Shami tree and tied him to the tree with a rope. From sunrise to moonrise, the sinnerwood was bound to the tree. He had not eaten anything that day. When the Vrata was completed, his father took him home. His vision returned and he became free of the disease. He was cured of leprosy. His hunchback disappeared. Seeing that, all Brahmins were astonished. He engaged in the worship of Ganesha. With faith and devotion, he would observe this Vrata by standing under a Shami tree. In the end, he attained peace and merged with the divine. Such are the merits earned by observing the Vrata under the Shami tree. Even the impossible will become possible. I shall tell you one more legend about the power of this Vrata which bestows all siddhis. A thief entered a city. He broke into a house, stole the valuables, and as he was leaving the house, villagers spot him. They created an uproar, hearing which the king's armed men arrived. They chased him and thrashed the thief with their weapons. They tied the battered thief to the Shami tree. He then went to inform the king. That day happened to be Sankashti Chaturthi. The thief was distressed without anything to eat or drink. On the next day of Panchami, all his wounds had healed. The thief regained his earlier luster. The king's messengers were astonished. They informed the king, who was surprised. The king approached the thief, who humbly paid his respects to the king. Just at that instant, an airplane descended from the skies. Ganesha's Ganas stepped out. They bore an elephant trunk on their face. They seated the thief on the airplane. When they were ready to leave, King Mahasena asked, "What has he done to have earned such merits? O Dutas of Ganapati, be compassionate and tell us so that we too can do the same." Ganesh Duta said, "One must chant the name of Vignesha standing under a Shami tree without taking any food from sunrise to moonrise on Chaturthi. After observing this Vrata with all its rituals, offer food to Brahmins and eat the same food himself in silence. He must remain awake the entire night and then perform puja on the next day of Panchami. Such a person will be blessed with all that he desires instantly. There's no doubt about that. In the end, he shall ascend to Swananda Loka as rewards are acquired instantly. There's no doubt about it." Having explained thus, Ganesh Dutas took the thief away. With the darshan of Vigneshwara, the thief was purified and merged with the divine. After this event, the king regularly worshipped Ganesha on Sankashti Chaturthi standing under the Shami tree. As a result of the merits earned, the king was able to wander in 3 worlds. He was able to travel at will to the assembly of Brahma and others. He would then return to his capital city, Champavati. He became acclaimed as the one who wanders everywhere. O intellectual one! In the end, with all other subjects, he ascended to be in the proximity of Vignaraja and merged with the divine. I have narrated the glory of Sankashti Vrata when observed under Shami tree. It bestows all siddhis. Anyone who reads or listens to it every day will be blessed with all that he desires by the grace of God. There is no doubt about it. O king, innumerable people have become blessed in this manner and cured of various defects including blindness. It is just impossible to narrate all the stories. Thus ends the 33rd chapter titled Chaturthi Vrata under the Shami tree. In the 4th Khanda of the Purana Upanishad, Srimad Mudgal Puran describing the legends of Gajanana. Dedicated to Sri Gajanana End of chapter 33.